Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your baby store. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is the easiest way to launch a website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So let's get going building a website for our baby store. Once you've signed up on the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from on the Marty Sites platform. However, if you've just stumbled across this video and you don't even have a baby store, you have another small business or side hustle, can't quite find it listed here, let us know in the comments below and we will add it, as we are adding more markets every single week. So let's get going and search for our market. I'm going to go ahead and put in baby store and select this template over here. Great. Now Marty Sites is going to ask us a few basic details about our baby store, and it's literally going to work its magic and do its thing and create a one-page website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Rochelle's Baby Store. Love the ring to that. I've actually got a baby myself. And I'm now going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We've got customers from all around the globe that are enjoying the service. I'm now going to go ahead and select the type of business that you can choose from: restaurant, retail, service, or other. I'm going to go ahead and select retail for this one. So let's click on continue and move along. Now Marty Sites needs to ask us a little bit more details about our baby store. How can our customers get in touch with us? So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone number in here and my email address. Awesome, let's continue. Okay, where is my baby store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address and my postal code. Awesome, let's continue. Okay, let's get our hours set up. What time does our baby store open on a Monday? I'm going to say we're open from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm going to say we closed on a Sunday because everyone needs a break. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, I said we're closed on Sundays. Now let's do a quick review. Check that all our details are correct, our location and our hours. If you need to update them, just click on updates over here. But everything looks good. Let's move along. Great. Now Marty Sites has literally worked its magic and it's about to, and there we go. It's already done it. It's generated a one-page website for me in literally less than a minute. Look at that. Everything looks really great. Wow. Okay, so the great thing about Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. We wanted to make the whole process when it comes to launching a website for your baby store as easy as possible. However, if the content written for you doesn't quite work and the images selected you would like to change, that is completely okay. You can amend each section. So I'm going to go ahead and work my way from the top to the bottom, going through each section just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use, and just to show you don't need to be a website developer. You don't need to hire a website developer with a huge budget. You don't even need to know coding. And that is the great thing about Marty Sites. So I'm going to start my way from the top and work my way through. I'm going to click on update section over here. Now, we've already put in our location details and our phone number, so I'm going to click on Show Email on Sites to make sure my email address is displayed in the top right-hand corner of my Marty Sites page next to the phone number that is click to call. My physical location is displayed here in the top left-hand corner, and the great thing about it is my customers can literally click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. Awesome. Let's make sure that's all saved and click on Update Social Links. I'm now going to go ahead and put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how Marty Sites service is working for you. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well, and the icons will be displayed here in the top right-hand corner. Let's make sure they're saved and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your multi-sites page that have been pre-selected for you, it's almost like a teal, I guess you can say, or a navy, close to navy blue, teal. Perhaps those colors don't quite work for your baby store. Perhaps you have very neutral branding with babies and baby stuff that can be quite neutral. So perhaps you want to change the colors, and that's very easy. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available. We are adding more every single week, but go ahead and try different ones and just see how it works for you and your small business. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I really like that one. Oh, but this one's really great as well. I think I'm going to select this one because I really like those colors. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And as you can see, it's now used throughout my multi-sites page. Really happy with the color palettes I've just used. Great, so I'm going to head back to the top here. I'm now going to click on update section over here and head to update logo. If you don't have a logo for your baby store just yet as you're in the startup process, that's completely okay. Multi-sites will display your name over here and it still looks really great. However, if you do have a logo, let's go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Awesome. So that is now complete. So I'm now going to save the logo. And there you have it. That looks really awesome. We can make it bigger and smaller by saying customized logo. I'm going to make it slightly bigger. I'm very happy with that. And I'm going to save the logo and close this section. Great. On to the next section again, pre-written content for you, images pre-selected. However, they are very easy to amend. Let's click on update section and we can change the content that's pre-written over here. This button over here can link to various other places. So I'm going to say for this one, get directions because I have a physical location. I'm going to click on choose link and I can link to another website. Another place on our multi-sites page, perhaps you want to link to the lead form at the bottom. But for this one, I want people to get directions to my baby store. So I'm going to click on directions link. There is also an option to upload a PDF, which is another great option. Maybe upload a PDF file with all the different things your baby store has to offer with some really great images. So when your customers click on that button, it will directly take them to the PDF. But for this one, I'm going to leave it as directions and click on confirm, save the content, and there we go. Customers can easily click on that and get directions to my physical location. I'm now going to update the image because perhaps you just don't stock those items in your baby store. You can browse from your device and upload one directly. Perhaps you have some really awesome professional pictures you've taken of your baby store. However, you can search from the photo library. There are hundreds of different images to choose from. They are all royalty free to use, no licensing required. You can change the terms up just a little bit, play around with the terms that you're searching for. I'm going to put in baby toy and see what comes up. Okay, let's see what we have here, what is suitable for my baby store. Okay, I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and select that one and save my image selection, and there you go. Actually looks very similar to the first one I've chosen. That just shows you how much I really like this image and how suitable it is for your baby store. But I've just showed you exactly how to search through the photo library. But I'm happy with that one. I'm going to leave it as is. Clearly, I really like it that I chose it the second time. Okay, on to the next section over here. Again, can be amended. Button can link to various other places. Content over here pre-written for you, but you can update it by clicking on update section over here. Awesome. Onto the About Us section. Over here, you can put a few more basic details about how your baby store came to be, how you got into the industry, what different items you stock in your baby store. Put as much information as possible here for your customers to read. Another great option for a photo over here, upload from your device or select one from the photo library. However, I really like this one. I'm going to leave it as is. That's so sweet. Another awesome image, high quality. You can change it by searching through the photo library over here or browsing from your device. On to the next section. Here we've made it to the services section, what we offer. This is where you can put a little bit more details of the different items in your baby store. So perhaps you sell nursery furniture, diaper bags, baby and toddler clothes. Put all the details over here and amend the image to suit your needs. Okay, and over here is where we can update our hours again. If we need to amend them or make any amendments to our hours or our location, that is exactly where you do it. So there you have it. I've literally launched a website, a one-page website for my baby store in less than 10 minutes. You can see I haven't need to be very tech savvy to do it. I haven't need to know coding, didn't need to hire a web developer to help me through it. It's been really easy to use. It really looks really professional. I'm very happy with it, and it's only going to cost me $9 a month. Remember, free trial available. Click on the link below this video and give it a go. So now I'm going to head over to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard. And perhaps with your baby store, you do have a custom domain. We understand with a custom domain, with a professional website, you need a custom domain. So over here is where in the dashboard where you can connect your domain. There is a YouTube tutorial available to do that. There is a blog post as well over at www.mightysites.com. Also with some great marketing tips for your small business. However, hope this tutorial was helpful on showing you how to build a website on the Mighty Sites platform for your baby store. Hope it was helpful. Hope you can see how easy it is to use. You don't need to know any web development skills, coding, nothing of the sort. It was really easy to walk through. I really wish you and your business mighty success. And don't forget the thumbs up for this video. Let us know how the service is working for you.